DIVA not down. 82 counts, 2 walks, first advanced. Weight on the left. Part A, total 32 counts. Part A is 16 then mirrored on the side wall. Weight on the left. Section 1, right foot, side lock, recover, weave, behind side cross. 1 inch forward, 1 inch side, facing 9. Back, quarter forward, now facing 6. Section 2, round, recover, quarter ball point, total quarter turn, half forward, half round, recover, post cross, now facing 3. Count part A, section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Mirror section 1 and 2 on the side wall. Left foot, side rock, recover, weave, behind side cross. 1 inch forward, 1 inch side, facing 6. Back, quarter forward, facing 9. Section 4. Rock, recover, quarter ball point. Total half turn, quarter forward, quarter, roll, recover, post cross. Count part A, section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Part B, total 16 counts, 2 walks. Section 1, right basic, side, close, cross. Side left, open body to left, prepare for turning. Full rolling turn, quarter forward, half back, quarter side with sweep, weave with sweep, cross side, behind with sweep, behind quarter forward, now facing 9. Section 2, forward on right, chase half turn, step, half, step. Full turn, half back, half forward, facing 3. For the first B, going into part C, and also the part B class, you're going to do 3/4 walk, shuffle. Walk right, left, shuffle forward, now facing 6. Ready to start part C. Count part B. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. For the part B connect to the back wall B, you're going to do 3/4 walk together. Quarter together. Weight on the left. Ready to start back wall B. The count for that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Part C, total 32 counts, 1 walk. Part C always start facing 6 and end facing 12. Section 1, out, left, right. Heel swivel, heel in, recover, 2 sailor, left sailor step, right sailor quarter, now facing 9 o'clock. Section 2, ball step, pivot quarter. Another quarter turn step on right. On spot, half, forward, now facing 3. Forward on left, mumble quarter turn, rock, recover quarter side, facing 6, cross side. Section 3, behind with sweep over 2 counts, swing arm from front to back with snap. Weave, behind side cross. Rock to the left, recover, rolling full turn, quarter, half, quarter side. Section 4, rock, recover, quarter, ball step, side on right, arm movement, cross on wrist, right, left, right. 3/4 pencil turn with touch, turn without touch. End of part C. Count part C. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. Optional intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Part A. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then you will do another part A. Then part B. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Part C. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start the second cycle with 1 full A. The second A count will start. A count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Into part B. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. B class. Cross the line. 1, 2, and then into part C. Part C will bring them back to 12. Then you will do 2B. At the end of the first B, you will do walk, walk, walk together and start backward beat. After this beat, it will be a beat class. You will do shuffle forward, cross, unwind, and then start part C, facing backward. After this last C, back to 12. Optional ending, I have a secret. End of the whole dance.